Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to use add-ons in Stremio. First, open Stremio on your computer. You'll see the main interface with various options. Now look at the left panel and click on add-ons. This will take you to a page where you can manage and explore add-ons. On this page you will see three sections: official add-ons, community add-ons, and my add-ons. First, scroll down to the official add-on section. Here you'll find a list of add-ons officially supported by Stremio. These add-ons are generally well integrated and regularly updated. Next, move to the community add-on section. These add-ons are created by the Stremio community and offer additional features or content. Then scroll through this list to find the ones that interest you. Each add-on has a brief description and user ratings to help you choose. Once you find an add-on you want to install, click on it. You will see an option to install. Now click this button to add the add-on to your Stremio setup. After installation, go to the My Add-on section. Here you'll see a list of all the add-ons you have installed. This is where you can manage and access your installed add-ons, including enabling, disabling, or removing them. That's it, you've successfully added and managed your add-ons on Stremio. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.